18 produces a relatively straightforward question about triangle areas with a non-right angle triangle. Area of this triangle is given by a half, AB sine C. This being A, this being B, and this is angle big C. Okay, all you've got to do is pop in the values, pop it into a calculator, and you'll get that the area is equal to 21.261378. That goes on, and they need it to 3 significant figures, which means our cut will be here, which means that the area is equal to 21.3, and this is to 3 significant figures. And that's your answer.